Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Tarisha Febrianti. At this time, I will start my presentation for the final semester exam assignment for the Sociolinguistic course. On this video, I'm going to discuss about the principle behind Morse code and Big Latin. A recodification is a further manipulation of a code. Morse code and Big Latin are two simple recodifications. So, what are the principles behind Morse code and Big Latin? Morse code is a system that represents letters, numbers, and symbols using a combination of dots and dashes. The principles behind Morse code involve assigning unique sequence of long and short signal to different characters. This coding system allows for communication through audio signal patterns, typically used with telegraph system or visual representation like flashlight. Alright, we got a point from Morse code. Morse code is a method of encoding text character using a series of dots and dashes, short and long signal to represent letters and numbers. Each letter or number is assigned a unique combination of dots and dashes. The code is based on the principle of using a binary system where short signal dots represent 0 and long signal dashes represent 1. The code is designed to be easily transmitted via telegraph or other forms of communications using sound or light signals. The second is about Big Latin. Big Latin is a language game or wordplay technique that involves altering the position of syllables in a word and adding specific sounds to create a code version of the original word. The principle behind Big Latin is to alter the original word by moving the initial consonant or consonant cluster to the end of the word and adding the suffix a after it. We got the point from that. Move the initial consonant or consonant cluster of each word to the end. Add the sound a at the end of the new word. For the example, the word hello in Big Latin would be elohe, where the h is moved to the end and a is added. The purpose of Big Latin is to create a secret language or code among friends or groups, making it harder for others to understand the conversations. This principle makes Morse code and Big Latin example of how code can be manipulated to create a new ways of communication or playful language games. Well, that's all the explanation about the principle of Morse code and Big Latin. Thank you, and hopefully it can be understood well. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.